Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Carpay app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Carpay is a digital payment and account management app created specifically for auto loan customers. It's designed to make car loan payments easier, track due dates, and manage loan-related information directly from your phone. Users can check balances, view statements, schedule payments, and even set up autopay so they never miss a due date. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. Carpay has a clean and user-friendly interface. Most users appreciate how easy it is to log in and instantly view all loan details without going through a complicated process. Payment processing is smooth, and the ability to pay from multiple bank accounts adds flexibility. Push notifications for due dates and payment confirmations are also a helpful touch. However, the app isn't flawless. Some users report occasional issues with login verification and syncing with bank accounts. There are also a few complaints about delayed updates in account status after making a payment. And while autopay is convenient, some users feel the app could offer more detailed customization or clearer confirmation messages. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like. It helps a lot. In summary, Carpay is a useful tool if you're managing an auto loan and want an easy, digital way to stay on top of your payments. It's functional, reliable for most users, and reduces the hassle of manual tracking. Just be aware of some minor hiccups that may occur depending on your bank or account setup. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.